Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you reset your Snapchat password without phone number or without email. Okay, so let's go to Snapchat. Okay, I try to log in. So you can see I already put my username and now I try to put my password and try to log in. Okay, now you can see Snapchat says my username, my email or password is incorrect. In this video, I try to showing you how you fix this problem. So now you need to go in first Google Chrome and search here support.snapchat.com. Okay, so this is the main interface. Then you need to click on contact us, then my account login. Just click here, then just scroll down and click here. I forgot my password. Okay, so now you need to click on here, need help with someone else or yes. Okay, so after that what you need to do, you just see properly what I write down here. So put your username. So Snapchat username, suppose Snapchat username is Adam Moses 123. Then put your any email here. Suppose my email is shubho33@gmail.com, where they can message you. I mean reset password, they team Snapchat they can send you. Okay, and mobile number, which mobile number, your contact number. Suppose my contact number is +1189. Okay, so this is my mobile number. And what information should we know? You need to write down here is, you see properly and you can take this text from my description box. Hi Snapchat, support team, I forgot my password and I don't have email or phone number. Please help me to recover my account. You can send me a reply to this mail. My mail is this one. Thank you. So just write down them this text and send. Okay, so first work is complete. Between 24 hours they will text you on your email or text you on your phone number. Okay, and then you can very easily reset your Snapchat. Okay, so if you like this video, please click on my video, subscribe this channel for get any update about Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube or Twitter or Telegram. So see you on next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.